Hi everyone, it's your Tito and Tita again. Today we're heading to Antipolo for a breakfast at Bistro Loblon. We've been seeing their viral chaparrado all over social media, so finally, we decided to try it for ourselves. We might be a little late to the trend, but that won't stop us from finding out if it's really worth the hype. Come with us as we taste, explore, and enjoy our breakfast trip together. Grabe, now we know why this champurrado went viral. Super rich and chocolatey. They use different kinds of chocolate, kaya sobrang sarap, especially kapag partnered with danggit or tuyo. Tara, kain! By the way, we're with Kuya Andre and your tito as well. After eating, we also went to Hinulugan Taktak because they haven't been there yet, and your tito was curious to see it. And here we are. Compared to before, Hinulugan Taktaks look so much better and more beautiful now. The place is cleaner, more relaxing, and perfect for strolling around and enjoying the view. No wonder many people still love visiting here. Alam niyo ba, Hinulugan Taktak got its name from a large bell called a taktak that was thrown into the falls during the Spanish era. It is also one of the most famous natural attractions in Antipolo and was declared a national park in 1990. Oh, di ba may trivia pa? We also found out that there are free activities here like the spider web and rappelling, so we immediately took the elevator to line up. Since it's free, we patiently lined up and registered, and it was really fun. The staff were very welcoming, but you actually need to be wearing shoes or bring your own shoes. It's nice and surprising that there's a park like this in Antipolo. Ang haba nga lang ng pila, pero kahit mahaba ang pila, worth it naman. Iwan nyo lang yung cellphone nyo kay la kuya at sila nang bahala sa photos and video nyo habang nasa spiderweb kayo. Kagaya nito. And after the spider web, we also tried rappelling. Of course, Kuya Andre went first since it was his first time. He said he was even more scared of the spider web than the rappelling. Wow, lakas ng loob. Nice one, Dre. And of course, your tita and tita didn't back down. We joined in too. So there you go. No more nervousness at all. We just went for it and enjoyed the experience. And that's how we spend our Sunday morning. Until our next adventure. Bye for now. Ingat!